Hi up guys, it's me again. In this video I will show you how to enable birthday notification on Facebook. Firstly, before we start it, I need to mention that there is two simple ways to do to this gradual moment to get up to enable birthday notification on Facebook. Firstly, you need to go and open up your profile section by typing on your profile photo on your left upper side, and then you need to go for edit profile. You need to scroll down and go for downstairs for edit your about info with a blue side. Then you need to scroll down again and go for basic info. Then you need to wait for uploading to the main page, and as you can see on my date of birth I need to choose which are my date of the birth and birth year, and right after that, as you can see on my right upper side of the each other, I have an option for getting through it for public, friends, or only me. As you can see, it is only me selected. I need to go and select public, then I need to go again on public. I need to get back. Now I need to take a refresh, and I need to go now on my three dots icon on my right upper side, go down, go for settings. On the preference side, now I have a lot of options, and as you can see there is an option for birthdays. Click on birthdays, and you need to make sure that here the first option it is turned on. If it's not, you need to make sure that it's turned on, and then get back. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.